Andrei Karpathy's LLM Wiki pattern is a sophisticated model for manual curation, allowing users to compile AI insights into a stable Markdown repository. But when you turn an agent loose to automate that curation without supervision, the repository quickly descends into chaos. This tension exists because language models operate probabilistically, generating different outputs across runs. Production storage systems require the absolute precision of predictable state transitions. Managing agent memory belongs in the deterministic control flow of the software environment, rather than the prompt layer. The solution is the agent-maintained knowledge base. This architecture treats the wiki as a production database, protected by a hardened trust boundary. Building this requires three structural components: a 5-node LangGraph pipeline, a deterministic quality gate pattern, and a Git-backed rollback strategy. Giving agents write access requires a shift from trusting the model to enforcing a zero-blast radius infrastructure. Before building the pipeline, we must analyze the 4 failure modes that occur when agents are granted open-loop write access to persistent stores. The first is the idempotency failure. Agents without state awareness will generate redundant, duplicate content every time a task gets reinvoked. Second is schema drift. An LLM's Markdown formatting naturally deviates over time, breaking automated parsers and severing links to downstream tools. Third is the race condition. When parallel agent nodes attempt to modify the same file without a coordination layer, they overwrite each other's reasoning and corrupt the file state. Finally, there is the hallucination bypass. This allows unverified claims to skip the orchestrator and inject corrupted data directly into the main branch. These structural failures exist beyond the reach of prompt engineering. They require a dedicated execution layer architecture. The primary vehicle for enforcing deterministic state transitions in agentic memory is a 5-node LangGraph architecture. Node 1 is the research agent. It retrieves context and compares it against the existing state to prevent duplicate findings before outputting a structured JSON payload. Node 2 is the Schema Validator. It executes a programmatic check enforcing exact Markdown compliance before file operations occur. Node 3 is the Diff Evaluator. It generates a semantic diff score, deciding if a change proceeds or routes to a human supervisor. Node 4 is the Git Writer. This guarantees atomic commits and ensures agents write exclusively to isolated feature branches, never to main. Node 5 is the PR Orchestrator. The system programmatically opens a pull request and attaches a diff summary for final governance. A single typed dict state object flows through these nodes to maintain consistency throughout the entire sequence. By separating reasoning from execution, the pipeline ensures the LLM can propose changes, but cannot unilaterally execute them. Relying on an agent to evaluate its own work often results in a compliant hallucination, where the model claims completion while skipping validation. Quality gates must be environment enforced. The first gate checks structure, requiring output to match a predefined Markdown schema. The second evaluates semantics, blocking changes exceeding a similarity threshold to prevent overwrites. The third verifies citations, ensuring every claim maps to a verified source. If any of these 3 gates fail, conditional routing logic automatically triggers human review or an automated rollback. These gates ensure the definition of done is enforced by code-level assertions. This diagram shows Git context control workflows, illustrating how branching timelines organize agent reasoning. Git infrastructure provides the ultimate safety fabric. Mapping every discrete agent write to a specific feature branch sandboxes reasoning paths, so errors don't infect the entire repository. The LangGraph interrupt node pattern serves as the mechanism to halt the state machine during critical errors. If an agent fails the semantic gate 3 times, the system triggers a git revert on the branch. The error is scrubbed before any data hits the main repository. Using real Git commits allows for cross-session recovery and precise historical context reconstruction. Using Git as an execution substrate shifts the burden of reliability from the model's judgment to the system's blast radius. In sectors like pharmaceuticals or aerospace, uncontrolled agent writes are a violation of GAMP5 or ISO-compliant standards. The PR Orchestrator node functions as an electronic change approval record within the project history. We implement electronic signatures within the Git commit history to ensure GXP compatibility. Production requires specific typed dict state schema variables, including the Wiki payload, diff score, and gate status. Necessary tool integrations include Git Python for repository access and sentence transformers for generating semantic similarity scores. This architecture makes autonomous documentation feasible for highly regulated sectors by ensuring every AI action is completely auditable and reversible. There are two primary invariants for implementation: never grant agents push access to the main branch, and never skip schema validation in any environment. Implementing a daily commit ceiling in the state schema provides a rate-limiting defense against runaway recursive loops. Constant disk writes are often a signal of upstream planning failure rather than a system feature. A reference implementation and deployable code samples are available at github.com/nextcrm/woof. The gap between a demo and a service is defined by persistence and operational controls. Share your most dangerous agent write failure in the comments.